So we're doing a job for a customer and we've fallen through the floor while working here, but as you can see, it is all rotten. It is a suspended floor. So we need to investigate what the problem is. Now, we've got a vent brick here, right? There's the vent there, as you can see, so there's no cavity wall insulation blocking the vent or anything like that. But the underside of this floor is sopping wet. We got water on the joist. Don't know if you can see all of that, all the condensation there. So I'll just pull that back. And then under here then, the underside of the floor, you can see there's light down there. So we need to find out what the problem is. So I'm suspecting a drain. This pipe, central heating pipe, is all condensating as well. There's the central heating. It's just got a bit of rock wool on it. It's lagging, so they need to be re-lagged and sorted out. So yeah, we just need to find what the problem is now. Right, so obviously as we're taking out this suspended floor, we can find, well, we've obviously found there's a rotted joist. Gav, stand on that joist a sec by there. No, go back by where your foot was. Right here, stand there, right, that's it. Let me just zoom in a bit. Can you see that? It's split, go on. So that joist needs to come out. So we need to find out what else we need to change, and obviously we need to find the problem. As you can see, the floor is pretty dry under here. Like I said, we've got a vent over there, that's working, which is good. But obviously that's got sopping wet. So we need to have a look on the other side of the property now to see if the actual vents on the other side of the house are actually working. But at the moment, we're just taking this floor up, the floor next door. We're going to be taking this one out here and the back bedroom there. We are doing the bathroom in this property, so that needs to come up. So I'm thinking maybe we can smell sewerage in the bathroom. So I'm thinking maybe that toilet in the bathroom has got a leak underground and it's all seeping through. So we're going to investigate that as well. So this is the copper feed under the bathroom. I don't know if you can see that. But as you can see, look, there's all drippers on the bottom of the pipe. I know. Here's the copper pipe. Where is he? There he is. Well, anyway, this is your cold feed on, alright? It's all full of condensation. There's no lagging on it. There we go around there. I'm trying to hold this with one hand on my hand under the floor now. Let me just try and zoom in a little bit. You see all the drippers on our pipe? See them? Don't know if we can see up there. Let's try and zoom in up there. I don't know where the hell all that's going. I don't know what's up there. Don't know if we got daylight over there, but that's it. There's all drippers, look, see them? So this is where we're at. Still obviously trying to find where the problem is, why these floors rotted through. So we did have a bad joist, which we took out. Just by there, that's going to be replaced now today. And then over here, this is where we seem to have the major problem. Now, if we look at the ground, I don't know if you can see on the video, the ground actually falls down to here. Now, there is a vent right there, which I'll jump down here. Alright, it isn't blocked, as you can see. Alright, it is still operational, it is still working. Alright, so it looks like we've got a patio outside and the slab is bang in line with this vent. So it looks like the water's actually getting in through here. I don't know if it's filling the cavity or dropping down the cavity and then getting under and travelling down to here, and it rotted all the floors out. We have plastered, so might be going to have water on these back walls. So just trying to figure out what the major issue is, yeah. This floor's not looking too bad. If you look here, directly behind you is a toilet, a bathroom, so we don't know if we've got leaks in there. So we're hoping when we rip the bathroom out in here, when we get this bathroom ripped out behind here now, I'm thinking I'm going to find a leak in this general area here. There are cold feeds under there that's not lagged. They could be dripping away with condensation, and we've got to lag all the pipes because all of this is sopping wet from condensation, all this old rock wall. Here's the rock wall, I'll show you here. So we're going to sort that out as well. So to change this joist now, obviously it's a 4.2 meter run. So I didn't want to go buying a 4.2 meter length and not being able to get it in. So we're just going to do a splice. We're going to take out the brick next to this one, which is right here. And then we'll send this timber into there. Now these are C24 timbers. You've got a denser grain. They load bearing timbers. It's timber used on roof and everything. So this will be great in here. It will last. And these are the timbers that's available today.